Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com. I'm answering your question about how to build a following. So this is my second online business. The first one I built a following to over 100,000. And in this business, in less than a year, we have over almost 25,000 people on our email list, thousands connected with us on different social media platforms. How do you do it? The key, now listen up, this is important. The key is to add freaking value to your people on a consistent basis. So you have to show up and you got to be consistent. A lot of people that I see that struggle is they show up a little bit and then they're like, oh, I'm working so hard, this isn't working. Or they think it's okay to take a break when they go on vacation or something like that. You have to show up every day, whether you feel like it or not, and be consistent. So even if you don't feel like it, maybe you have a buffer in there where you're batching content so you can take those days off or a week off. So example, the month of October this year, I took off almost the entire month. But I prepped ahead of time. I had blog posts written and scheduled. I have content for all my social media platforms that were already written and scheduled or being recycled or something. So I still had a consistent presence on those platforms. So nothing slowed down, but I was able to take time off. So if you're not building a following, first, ask yourself, are you showing up and being consistent? Next thing, are you being patient? Because Rome was not built in a day and neither was your business. It's going to feel like you're showing up and putting out content out there and you're talking to nobody and you're getting crickets for months, maybe even a year. Okay. That's normal and you have to keep showing up anyways. As long as you're adding massive value to your people and you're doing it on a consistent basis, dude, it's going to happen. But patience, consistency. You got this. Make sure to head to the blog, she'smakingimpact.com. I got tons of tips to help you build your business. I'll see you later.